Hey, this is Pitch Black / James. I am here in my home recording studio. Just want to discuss a topic that I've heard several times throughout the last several months. There's two words that people use, and it seems to be used interchangeably, but they're really not the same. It's called Multitracks and Stems. So let's go into my session here, Grooveline Productions. Current track that's out right now, / Grooveline Records, I should say. The track is called Money on My Mind. It's a multi-track single. But I digress. But anyway, multi-tracks are these right here, right? You have your individual tracks. So here's my kick drum, here's my slap, here's my snare, here's my hi-hats, da-da-da-da-da. Go down the line, we have all my leads, right? These are the multi-tracks. These are then summed at the end of my session to individual buses. These are now my stems. So all my drums are in this bus. All my instruments are now in this bus. All my vocals are now in this bus. Anyway, so let's not use my words for it. Let's look up Google and let's see what it says. Multi-tracks are raw individual audio files for every element, kick, snare, lead, vocal, used for mixing a full production. Stems are summed, processed groups of similar instruments, all drums, all vocals, all synths, used for mastering, remixes, or live performance. Multi-tracks are for mixing, stems are for final adjustments. Now, so there you have it. Multi-tracks are your individual tracks, and stems is your buses for all your individual tracks. This is Pitch Black / James, Grooveline Productions home studio. Deuces.